Okay, so now let's talk about simple present for future, temporary future notion. Let's start checking the future time notion. What is it? How is it? Future is uncertain, and it's possible to describe the past and the present, but you can never describe the future. So in this case, the present simple is used to refer to events in the future, which are certain because they are facts or because there is a clear fixed schedule or timetable. So in this case, I'm going to explain three different points of this simple present for future. Point number one, we are going to use simple present for future to describe actions related to timetables or programs specifically. Okay, point number two. It We are going to use simple present for future when we want to talk about future when we are discussing a fixed plan. And the third point, that it's the last one, it's when we want to talk about future, but specifically when we are discussing a fact. Okay, as you can see, we have the affirmative form for simple present for future. We have the subject, the verb, and the time expressions for this affirmative form. And the example you have there is the spring equinox starts at 12 tomorrow. And now let's check the negative form for simple present for future. In this case, you have the subject, and then you are going to use the auxiliary do or does in a negative form, and then a verb in a simple form, and then the time expressions. As you can see, you got the example: the spring equinox doesn't start at 12 tomorrow. Finally, we have the question form. In this case, you will need a WH question, and after that, the auxiliary do or does, and then the subject, and after the subject, the verb in a simple form, and finally, the question mark. You can see the example. What time does the spring equinox start?